Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play using cards on To Play Mahjong mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. In some versions of To Play Mahjong include card-based puzzle or bonus card. On the main menu, look for a mode level card, puzzle or similar and tap it. The goal is similar to classic Mahjong, match to identical cards that are free to move, meaning they are not blocked and have at least one side space open. Matching clears the card. Tap the first card you want to match, then tap the second identical card. Keep matching pairs until all cards are clear from the board. If you get stuck, tap the hint button to show as a possible match. You can also use the shuffle button if no moves are left. Once all cards are cleared, you will see your score and any rewards for that round. And that's it. Now you know how to play with cards on To Play Mahjong using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.